In this tutorial, we go over TradeUI's Chain Overview section. To view this section, you click on Chain Overview, and then when you click there, you'll be brought to this page here. This will show you the option chain overview for any ticker of choice by selecting the ticker here. You can select any ticker you want. In this case, we'll change SPY to QQQ. So once we click Scan, it will show the option chain overview for QQQ. It will default to 0 DTE, and it will show you the strikes that are 20 strikes from the center point. In this case, the QQQ is trading around the 380 level, and it will show 10 strikes this way, 10 strikes this way. You will see the call volume, the call open interest, the put volume, and the put open interest. This gives you an overall view of what targets people have in mind for different stocks. And you can change your days till expiration by selecting the filter here. So let's go to 7 days till expiration, and let's change it to an actual stock. So we'll do AMZN, Amazon. So it looks like Amazon has a lot of bullish activity overall for the $135, $136, and $137 level for the next trading week. You can also, on this page, go down here, and it'll show you a heat map that corresponds with the option contracts as from the calls, and down here it'll show the option contracts on the put side. And if you want to check out more, go ahead and look at our tutorial series, check out more videos.